Today's courtroom case feels ripped straight out of a high-octane legal thriller. A man drowning in not one, not two, but over a dozen driving violations spanning 20 years. And somehow he's still out there terrorizing the roads. With charges piling up faster than a Netflix binge gone off the rails and a judge who's clearly hit their breaking point, this case rockets from routine to jaw-dropping in seconds. Watch closely as 2 decades of reckless behavior finally collide head-on with reality in less than 10 minutes. Believe me, you're absolutely not ready for how this one ends.
All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. I got stopped for driving suspended, second offense, in file 25791ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance in file 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904SM and 905ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to 1 count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh,
he did, actually, June 26th, you said?
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, 1 DWLS second to encompass everything.
Let's break this down. What you just heard is a full package plea deal, the legal equivalent of condensing a disaster into one signature. It's a strategy where a pile of charges across multiple dates gets crushed into one guilty plea, usually to the strongest or most easily proven offense. Here, it's driving while license suspended, DWLS second offense, a misdemeanor that can slam you with up to a year behind bars and tack 2 more points onto an already wrecked driving record. It's a calculated move by the defense: collapse the chaos, dodge multiple trials, and hope the judge can muster a shred of mercy. But with this guy's long, twisted history of treating traffic laws like suggestions, mercy might be the one thing he's completely run out of.
I won't. What about all of it? Okay.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241ST. Dismiss all other files for P. Gibson, including driving suspended second is 798. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. Do you understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. 791. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 3/11 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Oh, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired. Proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, and I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's going to be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes. All right. Well,
I got no family.
Yes.
Wow, this is one of the most brutally honest, emotionally charged moments we've seen in a courtroom. The defendant lays bare that he's been completely alone for more than a decade, clawing his way through life with zero support, and it paints a heartbreaking picture. But here's the unforgiving reality. Does personal suffering give someone a free pass to break the law over and over? The judge clearly feels for him, even says, "I believe everything you're saying." But compassion isn't a legal shield, and when public safety collides with a long trail of repeat driving offenses, the court has no choice but to draw a hard line. So what do you think? Should the system bend for someone drowning in hardship? Or has the time finally come for consequences to hit full force?
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one-year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. They give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 due by August 31/25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah, yes. You're going to stop driving a car. You owe me $125. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125 when you get out. You can go with a court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
don't have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When am
go.
I gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call, somebody to take care of your pets. $5 by 8:30.
In the end, justice delivered its verdict with a blend of compassion and unshakable authority. The judge handed down 7 days in jail, pointing to the defendant's astonishing record, more than a dozen prior suspensions and 3 violations committed within just 50 days. While the plea deal wiped out the remaining charges but left behind a message louder than any gavel strike, the road has truly come to an end. This case is a harsh reminder that constant defiance of the law eventually hits back with full force, regardless of excuses or intentions. It's a collision of real struggle, legal boundaries, and unavoidable accountability. If this case shocked you as much as it did us, hit the like button, drop your thoughts below,